Are you struggling to understand how to trade order block? Then this very one is for you, because in this video I'm going to break it down step by step how to trade order block effectively and profitably. So stay with me and pay rapt attention. So before I go in, I would like you to like this video. I'd like you to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and drop your comments in the comment box below. Let me know what you think about the tutorial. Also, feel free to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. Right. So let's go straight into it. I'm already in some trades, so and they are doing well. So I'm going to show you how I did this. When I put my chart, the first thing I do is to come to the higher time frame like this. Okay, so this is the higher time frame. Actually, this analysis I did it yesterday, and by the time I did this, price was still around. Price was still around here. All right, price was around here. So when I did it, you can see that's why you see all those arrows there. So what I did was I marked out the highs and the lows, so I could see the most recent highs and lows. I marked them out. Then I went to the lower time frame, the hourly time frame rather. Got it. These are the highs and the lows that we have here. So beside these highs, beside this high and this low, you can see that this area is also significant. It's also a key level, because this is where we had a kind of retracement before continuation. Okay, so I also marked it, and that's why I marked it, because of that retracement. So now I have this. Okay, so I was able to draw my trend line, also see how price was moving. I was able to get my trend line. So that is it for that top-down analysis. So what I do now is to go down to my 15 minutes time frame. Okay, you see, this is the 15 minutes time frame. The trend line we had was broken, so it was broken. This level also that we marked out was also broken. So let me zoom in so that you can see. Okay, let me zoom out rather. You can see it is this level. This is it here. So it was broken at this point. The trend line was also broken at this point. You can see the trend line was broken and then it was retested almost. So you could have entered there, but if you missed out, this another one here has been broken. Now what to wait for is retest of it. So you can see it got price started retracing to go and retest it. When I saw this, I knew. So first of all, price gave us a kind of double bottom here. All right, price gave us double bottom here, and then this was neckline, which is the first high, and then give us another high, low, high, low. Okay, so I saw this, that price is giving us higher highs, which means it's a retracement to the upside. So it also gave us another higher. So what I did was to put my trend line. I did just use my trend line, right? Just use my trend line like this. You can see, and then I could have also made it a channel, because it's a good channel, but I was interested in just having price go back to my area of interest, this area that has broken before. So because I trade the break and retest strategy, so that's exactly what happened. Price went back to it. So let's concentrate there now. You can see what happened. Price went back to it, and then let me go to the lower time frame. This is M5 now. I want you to see the things, see everything very clearly. You can see that the picture is playing out better now. Okay, so on M5 you can see this. Price went to our area of interest first, got rejected with this high, this first high. Let me zoom in. All right, let me zoom in. Yeah, so when price came to our area of interest, it got rejected at first here, then gave us a low, which is also higher than this one, so higher low. Then as it tried to go up, it couldn't make a higher high. So this was a failed high, right? And it dropped, signaling what? A shift in momentum, that a drop in momentum. The buyers have gone out. Okay, they've chickened out, they are now weak, the sellers are taking over, but that wasn't enough for me to enter yet. So we got a change of character here. So price came back, retraced, retested it, and then dropped. So I missed at this point. Actually, I should have entered around this point. I wasn't available. So what happens is that price dropped, and then here broke the trend line, which we wanted. That was one of my major conflict. I wanted to see price break the trend line, okay, after the retracement. So it broke the trend line, went back, retested it, drop here. So when I came, I saw this drop here, and then I saw an order block here, right? So this is it. So I can see this was the break of structure here, and this was the order block, which I marked out like this. So I waited for price to pull back to the order block, so I'll be able to, give it my shot, a sniper entry at that. I didn't want, I didn't want to experience so much drawdown. So price actually went there as I envisaged. As it went there, it began to drop. Okay, so actually went to the M1. See how I'm scaling down gradually. So exactly, immediately price went back to my order block, which is this bar you are seeing here, yellow, this orange bar. That's the order block. So as price went back there, you can see the candlestick pattern it gave. You can see it. This was a clear rejection to the downside, so a clear bearish signal. So it was dropping massively, so I was able to enter the first one here. Okay, place my stop loss above, right? So I held it, price came down here, and then retraced again. Normally, that's how price moves. It moves in wave, in correction, impulsive, correction. So price moves in waves. This impulsive wave is the correction wave. This impulsive one, this is correction, this impulsive. So that's how price moves. So as it went back the second one and gave this sharp drop, so I entered second, the second position. So now it's in my favor. I've dropped my stop loss here. The both of them are here. So that's it, and I'm still holding. I hope it continues going my way. This is actually where my take profit is. This is where I'm taking the first profit, and then I might still hold for this one. After this first profit, I'm going to start trailing the stock, hoping that I will follow it to this point, right? That will be serious. That will be massive, massive profits. If you know what I'm saying. So that's it. I hope to trail it up to this point. So that's how we do this. So you see, that's how I scale down from the higher time frame to lower time frame. So I was able to pick another block that is in line with the trend. All right, I was able to pick another block that was in line with the trend. So what that means is that whenever you are trading other block, first of all, do your top-down analysis, observe the market structure, know the direction of the market, so you'll be able to catch another block that is in direction with the trend. That is what we call order flow. An order block that is in direction with the direction of with the trend. All right, if it's in line with the trend, so it is most likely going to work for you. All right, so always look out for the order flow whenever you're trading order block. I believe this is very clear even for a layman. So use this same strategy and keep milking the market. Right, thank you guys for watching. This is the Alpha Trade, and as always, it can only get better. Please like my video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and turn on the post notification bell. Also, let me know your opinion in the comment box below, and feel free to join my Telegram channel. Check the description box, you see the link to that Telegram channel. Join. Okay, We do account management, we do mentorship, we also do signals. We have free signals, we also have VIP signals, right? So that's just it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. You can see, so we've more than doubled the accounts. Doubled this account. It's amazing. This is amazing. Very simple method. Very simple method. We got just very simple method. Okay, so that's how it works.